Welcome to Pav's Mongolia podcast. When people think about stray dogs and cats in Mongolia, they often imagine situation in capital city. But to understand the real picture, it's important to look beyond the city. The most difficult conditions for free-roaming animals are often found in rural and countryside areas. In cities, there are at least some resources. Small number of private rescue groups operates, and veterinary services are available, even if they are limited. But outside urban areas, situation is very different. Many rural communities, there are no shelters, very limited veterinary care, and almost no access to sterilization or population management services. When animal numbers increase, there is simply no system to manage or support them. This is why much of the long-term suffering happens outside of the city. Another important factor is the role of dogs in rural life. Traditionally, dogs have been kept for practical purposes, garden homes, livestock, and property. They usually live outdoors and are expected to survive independently. This approach comes from Mongolia's nomadic history and environmental conditions. However, today the context has changed. Settlements are more permanent, animal numbers have increased, and without population control or regular care, many animals become free-roaming. Mongolia's extreme winters makes this situation especially very serious. With temperatures drops to -30, even -40 degrees Celsius, animals without proper care, shelter, or food face very harsh survival conditions. This is why challenge in Mongolia is not only individual rescue. The country needs broader system. National animal management framework, including population control, access to veterinary care, and coordinated support is essential to address this issue at scale. At this time, infrastructure alone is not enough. Long-term change also depends on community awareness and expectations, specifically in rural areas. When traditional view of outdoors, dogs are still in common. As Mongolia continues to develop, building or shared understanding of responsible animal care will be just as important as building services. At Pulse Mongolia, we focus on this long-term perspective because lasting progress requires both system development and social changes. Working together to improve conditions for animals across the entire country, not only on cities.